Hey, how you doing? Today we're going to work on the Superrat Air box. If you're familiar with them, you know that a common problem is right here, they break. And you can see this one has a pretty crude repair to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this whole bracket right here. And to do that, we made a pattern already and cut out the piece. And we're going to drill out the spot welds and spot weld the new piece on. So in order to drill out the spot welds, there's a actual drill bit for doing that job. I never used one before, but we're going to give it a try and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we used the special drill bit for the spot welds, and you can see how that looks right there. And now we're going to try to pry the old bracket off the back without doing minimal damage to the actual cover here.
Go ahead and work it gently. Oh, yeah.
And there's the old broken bracket. These are the holes that we drilled out, and we'll attach the new bracket and weld it up inside. Okay, we drilled out the holes and we cleaned up on both sides, so now the new bracket will be lined up and then welded from the inside. And we cleaned up the holes enough to weld a big enough bead so then we could sand it down and finish it smooth in the end. Okay, we mocked the air cleaner up on an old frame that we had to make sure that we get the right distances and all our holes are lined up for welding. Have it clamped, have it all bolted together, and the next thing we'll do is weld the rear new bracket to the air cleaner canister. Okay, we got all the welds ground down, so the new bracket is installed. Now all we need is some paint or powder coat, and we're ready for the bike. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.